Hello guys, once again I welcome to you my YouTube channel Technical Sagar. Today we will set up development server on our local PC. You are doing this because you are a web developer, so for that it is necessary to test websites on your PC before uploading them to live server, right? So today we will install a software called XAMPP. So let's write it in the Google search. So XAMPP is the abbreviated form. X means cross platform, A for Apache web server, M for MySQL, P for PHP, and second P is for Perl. So let's scroll down and click on XAMPP for Windows, as I have Windows operating system. You can see the setup is being downloaded. As I have downloaded it earlier, I am going to cancel it. Now click on the file in the bottom of the browser. Installation process will now begin shortly. Click on OK. Now click on next. You can see all the options are tick marked. Let's click on next. This is my path. So click on next. Now the setup has been started. I will come back as soon as the setup is about to complete. So yes, setup is about to complete now. Let's click on allow access. Let's click on finish. Yes, the XAMPP is now installed on our PC. You can see control panel is open. Start Apache server and MySQL. Let's again allow access. Let's now move to the browser and type localhost. Yes, you can see the XAMPP is successfully installed. Let's check PHP information. It says the version is PHP 7.4.7. So thank you guys for watching this video.